Gentlemen, start your engines. Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.
Hi, my name is Tara Lorenzo. This is my 2002 Chrysler Prowler.
How long have you had the car?
I've had it for about 2 years. I actually inherited it from my grandfather who passed away.
Oh. This color is sweet, isn't it? It's like, do you have a nickname for your car at all?
I don't, no.
Tell me about the car, what you might know about it.
I do know that it's a V6 and that they didn't sell too many of them because of that fact.
Now this is, when you drive other cars and you drive this car, is this like really unique to drive?
It is, it's like a big go-kart. It's the best way to explain it. But I do like the yellow. They have the red, I've seen red, purple, things like that, but this seems to pop a little more. And look at the bumpers.
That's so cool, that is so cool.
Kind of different, yeah.
Right. Now, do you do a lot of car shows?
I do. I try to get to as many as I can. This year, not so many, but yeah.
And have you won any awards?
I have actually. Yeah, quite a few.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And what do you do with the trophies?
Keep them in the garage close to the car.
Cool. That is so neat.
Yeah.
That is so neat. Why don't we take a peek in the interior?
Yeah. Here's the interior. I do have a picture of my grandfather there in the dashboard. Like to keep him close.
It's a unique dash with all the gauges off to the right.
It is. It's really pretty at night. It all lights up.
Oh, really?
It is, yeah.
Find that out somehow.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, was this one put in afterwards by someone?
That is original.
Really?
It is.
Wow. You can see how many interviews I've done on this type of car.
Yeah, right? Not very many.
That is so cool. And what is in the back over there? A CD player?
That is a six disc CD player, yes.
There you go. That is so cool. That is so cool. And then can we see how you have that back lid open?
Yeah. And then this is the soft top. You have to put it up manually.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
That is so cool, though.
Not much for a trunk, though.
But isn't it neat to drive a convertible?
It is. It's very nice in the summer. Yeah, definitely.
Freedom, isn't it? Now, can we see your engine?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, look at this front end. Look at where the battery's at.
Right in front, yeah.
Wow. Look at this. And what are those called? Do you know what those are called?
Suspension?
There you go. You never know. It's different language, different
right,
people, right?
Yeah.
And then do you know a bit about the engine?
Like I said, I do know that it is the V6. A lot of people pass it up because of that. But since it is so lightweight and low to the ground, it's nice. It definitely gets up there.
Now do you know anything about the history of how they're preserving these cars in any way?
The one thing that I do know is that they were made from '96 to 2002, and that this is I'm not sure what year it was, but they did put one in a time capsule. So in about 30, 50 years, they were going to open another one. So.
Now I noticed that this car is shiny as can be, the chrome on the wheels shiny as can be.
I try to keep it clean.
Do you do all the work yourself?
I do, yeah.
Wow.
I do.
What do you use? I see you have like little...
I use the Meguiar's. A lot of Meguiar's, yeah. It's about the only thing I use.
But they actually sell that body brand new right now.
Thanks for watching.
Live from U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.